Hey guys, welcome to another WordPress tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can add your menu icon for mobile device using WordPress for or HTML or your web page. And before we continue, let me remind you that if you find the information that you're looking for on this tutorial, I invite you guys to hit the like if you like this video and also subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. So let's begin the tutorial. So this is the website that I'm working on, and on the previous episode I added this I changed the URL for all these pages on this theme, and I already added my logo for my website and all the stuff that I need for my web page for each page. Now let's go to edit live, and by the way, I am using Avada Builder to build my website, and also this theme is made by Avada. So if you haven't watched my videos on how I install this builder, I invite you guys again to check out my channel for more WordPress tutorials. And I am a beginner too, so I am teaching beginners. So let's go to edit live, and it's gonna take us to the desktop version. Every time you are, of course, editing or working on your website on your computer, it's always gonna come the first thing, it'll be desktop option. So now we're gonna go to mobile in a second. For some reason it's slower right now. All right, so here we are on Avada Builder, and you can see the menus here on desktop. So you can click on preview. This is how people are gonna look at it. Okay, now let's go back to builder, and now here where you can see responsive, click, and then you're gonna see all the versions here. We're gonna go to mobile, and actually for some reason the header not always shows up here. All right, so we might have to go again back to, for some reason, the option. Okay, here we go. It's this option. Okay, we're gonna work on the header or on the top menu of the website, and probably it's gonna come up the desktop version, but no problem, we can go to mobile version, and you're gonna see that the menus look different than the desktop version. See, you can still see all the pages here, but if you go mobile, at least with this theme, it's kind of hidden. Okay, you can see that there's a menu here, but you cannot see it. So if people, let's go to preview, if people click here, you can see the menu scroll down, but they're not gonna know that the menu is here hidden somewhere. Okay, so how you make the menu visible? So let's go to edit, and then here you're gonna go to menu, click on edit or element options, click, and then you're gonna go to the fourth one from the left side. So you're gonna go to mobile, click on mobile, then go down to icons, and you're gonna use the mobile menu trigger expand icon. Okay, so let's search for menu because we're looking for a menu icon. So you can find the best one for you. You can add this one, but I like the solid one. I like this one here. So we're gonna click there, and it should come up there. Okay, now we're gonna save, and now let's go to preview and see. Now your menu has shown on your mobile version, and you go back to the desktop, you're gonna see this that you already had here. So now people are gonna be able to see it mobile too. So They're just gonna click. This is like a universal icon. People will know right away what this means. This is the menus. They click, they see all your pages. So again, guys, if you like this tutorial, I invite you guys to hit the like, subscribe for more short tutorials on WordPress for beginners. I really appreciate your time. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.